Introducing the Arthrex Angel system, the only device that offers customized PRP formulations from whole blood or bone marrow aspirate. The Angel's revolutionary flexibility offers fully adjustable white blood cell content, platelet concentration, and volumes with one-button automation. Innovative design simplifies the setup procedure and offers the capability of processing flexible blood volumes, 40 to 180 milliliters in a single pass. Simple touchscreen menus and preset protocols allow for one-button automation. The adaptive spin technology utilized by the Angel system ensures optimal platelet recovery. Advanced 3-sensor technology separates PRP, PPP, and RBCs into separate sterile compartments using cell-specific wavelengths of light for consistent PRP output. The Arthrex Angel system, revolutionary flexibility, custom-tailored PRP solutions.